How to cut or trim video in After Effects. Let's get into it. Move your playhead to where you want the cut to begin. Then come up to the edit and then select split layer. This is going to make a cut in your video. An easy shortcut that you can use for this is pressing Command-Shift-D on your keyboard. This is going to make a cut. Now if we move our playhead again and press Command-Shift-D, we have another cut, and then we can delete the two excesses that we just had there. That's how you cut your clips. To trim your clips, move your playhead to where you want to, then come to the end and drag like so. If you hold Shift, it will lock to the playhead. Move the playhead again and then drag the end of your clip back to the playhead like so, and that will trim your clip. Again, we can use a shortcut for this by pressing Option or Alt on your keyboard and left bracket to trim the beginning, and then Option or Alt and right bracket to trim the end. And that's all there is to it.